बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं। मैं मोहम्मद जुनैद शफ़क़त, प्रिंसिपल द स्किल्स शॉर्ट हैंड एंड कंप्यूटर कॉलेज हरबंसपुरा लाहौर।
ये डिक्टेशन न्यूज़पेपर पैराग्राफ नंबर 6 से 80 वर्ड पर मिनट में दी जाएगी। इससे पहले आप लोग स्ट्रोक्स की प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा और 70 वर्ड पर मिनट डिक्टेशन एक या दो बार ज़रूर कीजिएगा ताकि आपको 80 वर्ड पर मिनट डिक्टेशन 100% पिक हो सके। तो चलते हैं डिक्टेशन की तरफ। 3, 2, 1 डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। Rawalpindi colon a joint committee of the Rawalpindi and Islamabad administrations will likely adopt the Sahiwal style model to manage sanitation issues in the twin cities starting on Monday full stop. The Sahiwal division is generating 35% of its budget through garbage recycling full stop. Rawalpindi Waste Management Company RWMC had been given the task of presenting the proposal, after which the model would be immediately launched in the twin cities full stop. The decision was taken at a meeting held in the Commissioner's office and presided over by Commissioner Liaquat Ali Chattha and MNA elect Hanif Abbasi full stop. The divisional administration invited Mr. Abbasi to the meeting to deal with water and sanitation issues in Rawalpindi full stop. Mr. Chattha said a special committee had been formed to improve the sanitation condition in Rawalpindi and Islamabad full stop. The committee comprises the Islamabad and Rawalpindi administrations, CDA and cantonment boards, and it will work on the integrated water supply and sanitation systems of Rawalpindi and Islamabad full stop. Paragraph. The Commissioner stated that it had been observed that even after great efforts, the cleanliness situation in the twin cities was not up to the mark as it should be, for which the committee had been formed full stop. Mr. Chattha directed RWMC to make a scheme for its essential machinery which was dysfunctional at present and get it incorporated into the upcoming annual development program so that the shortage of its resources could not hinder the cleanliness of the city full stop. The Commissioner said the second important task of the committee was to solve the shortage of clean drinking water full stop. He said, according to the World Health Organization WHO's standards, the shortage of clean drinking water in the twin cities was 47%, which will increase with the passage of time full stop. Paragraph. Therefore, taking steps in this regard is the need of the hour full stop. He said 2300 tons of garbage was dumped on a daily basis, so the committee will present a model in which a major portion of the garbage will be recycled and only 30% will be left for disposal, which will significantly reduce the cost of disposal and at the same time generate income from recycling full stop. He added that the cleaning campaign would not be successful without the cooperation of the citizens, so it is important that the citizens also help the sanitary workers in ensuring the cleanliness of their environment, full stop. He urged the citizens and the administration not to set garbage on fire and dump it in the dustbin, full stop. Former station commander of Rawalpindi and representative of Garrison Authority, retired Brigadier Ijaz Kamar Kayani, RWMC Managing Director Rana Sajid Safdar, Cantonment Boards and CDA officials attended the meeting, full stop. Stop writing.
अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें और कमेंट भी लाजमी कीजिएगा। शुक्रिया।